Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to download Kafka. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. So let's get started. Bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn Kafka? Well, I have good news for all who want to understand the fundamentals of Kafka. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all Kafka training videos in just one click. Step 1. Open a browser and visit kafka.apache.org/downloads. Step 2. Under the latest stable release version, you will see options for binary downloads. Click on Scala 2.12. Select workspace location and click on save. The download will start for the zip file. Step 3. Once downloaded, go to the location in File Explorer, right click and unzip the folder to extract the files. Step 4. Once extracted, go inside the folder, go to bin folder, scroll down. You can see the Zookeeper shell scripts. So we have successfully downloaded Kafka on our local. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.